everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use ABS brakes properly. This will be a beginner driving lesson, so let's get right into the video. ABS brakes are equipped on the vast majority of modern cars. I believe that where I live, it was a requirement after a certain point of manufacturing vehicles, but I can't say that for certain, and also that's just where I live. It might be different where you live. So ABS brakes are things that you will find on the vast majority of modern cars. It stands for anti-lock braking system. So anti-lock braking system, ABS brakes. What it does is it basically allows you to stop, and when your tires would be skidding, when your wheels would be locking up and you would be regularly skidding to a stop, ABS brakes pumps the brakes for you and prevents your tires from skidding, okay? Now, basically, how do you know when they've been activated? Well, if you're braking and you feel this on your pedal, if you feel that against your brake pedal when you're braking, your ABS has kicked in, okay? It sort of feels like a against your brake pedal, and you'll hear that sound, okay? That's how you know they've started working, okay? And what it means is, if your ABS wasn't present on the vehicle, then it means that you would have, at that point, your tires would have locked up and you would have skidded, okay? Now, basically, how do you use your ABS brakes? Well, first of all, you can't control when they come on or not. It's not like you click a button and the ABS starts, turns on automatically. It's not like you can click a button and your ABS is gonna kick in. No, it automatically kicks in when it senses you're gonna skid. And that's the beauty of the ABS braking system. So how do you use it? Well, you figure out what you need to do to actually control the car. Now, when your car is skidding without ABS, you can't control the vehicle. So you can't steer. The car just kind of goes wherever it wants to go. And that's the danger of driving without ABS, whether it's an older car or a car that the ABS is not working, okay? That the ABS system is not working in. But, when your ABS kicks in, you want to do the following. So now I'm going to get to the how to actually use it, now that I sort of explained how it works, because I figured that was all necessary to fully explain what to do. So I'm going to drive, and I'm going to brake, and I'm going to sort of tell you to imagine when the ABS is kicking in. So I'm driving right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to brake, and I'm going to tell you to imagine when it's kicking in. So I'm going to brake. We're going to imagine that I'm hitting ice, and the ABS kicked in. As you saw, what I did there was I continued braking, and I grabbed two hands on the wheel, okay? I did not look to the left. I did not try and steer to the left or to the right or skid around. I grabbed two hands on the wheel. I took control of the actual steering wheel, and I continued to brake at the same rate that I was braking. So let's say I'm driving once again, and we're going to imagine that the ABS kicks on when I make that sound. That's when we're going to imagine that the ABS kicks in. So we're driving, I'm braking, and all of a sudden maybe I hit a dirt road, and okay, look at what I'm doing here. Two hands on the wheel, I'm gripping it tightly. You can probably see the forearm muscles flexing because I'm gripping that wheel tightly, okay? And I'm looking straight ahead, and I'm steering because maybe there's a parked car here that I need to avoid, right? We're gonna try one more time. Okay, so as you saw right there, two hands on the wheel, steering in the way that I want the car to go. Now, the thing is, a lot of people are under the assumption that ABS only kicks in when you slam your brakes. No, that is very wrong. That's not the case at all. ABS kicks in whenever your tires are about to skid. You can be going 10 kilometers an hour, I'm assuming. I'm not a technician here, but if you're going 10 kilometers an hour and you lightly press the brakes and your tires were about to skid because there's a huge sheet of ice, then as far as I know, your ABS is going to kick in at that point. So speed doesn't matter, brake pedal pressure doesn't matter. What matters is that when your tires would be skidding, that's when the ABS is going to kick in, okay? Now, if you want to feel what your ABS feels like when it kicks in, I recommend you go to an empty parking lot without any poles, posts, or anything, like just a big empty parking lot. Get up to a decent speed and just slam your brakes. Make sure the parking lot is completely empty, no pedestrians, no cars, nothing. A perfectly empty parking lot. If you get up to decent speed and you slam your brakes, like you could probably be going 20 kilometers an hour and slam your brakes, okay? if you slam your brakes hard enough and your tires would have skidded, then what's going to happen is the ABS will kick in and you're going to feel that. Okay, it's going to allow you to feel what it feels like. And I do recommend that you do that because you should know what it feels like before it actually kicks in a real life situation, so you're not alarmed. So how to use ABS brakes is very simple. When they kick in, because I wanted you to know what causes them to kick in. So when they kick in, you don't have to turn them on or anything. They automatically work. But when they kick in, grab two hands on the wheel, look ahead, and steer your car as needed. Okay? If you can keep going in a straight line, it's the best. You know, if you can just skid, use the ABS and just continue driving straight, that's probably your best case scenario. But grab that steering wheel and you can steer while your ABS kicks in. That's the beauty of it. It's not going to put your car into a skid where you don't have control of it. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.